a call day after tomorrow. But as I said, we have done extensive work we've been doing for the last couple of years, and in the last few weeks we had detailed number of meetings with Health Minister. I would want her to speak about it more. So let her speak about it, because she has also refrained from talking about it because we have not formally taken it up in the cabinet, which we will be taking it up on Friday. So in that we'll be making some very, very important decisions, and that will be announced on Friday. So please wait for that day, and the Honourable Minister herself will give you details about those colleges.
The ministry is scared.
It's a policy that is all everywhere in the country. Any state that has their own medical college, they do not get the quotas in the other colleges. So it's always a give and take. So we have to take a decision at one point, and that's the reason why I'm telling you that you have to wait till the cabinet. All of these points will be brought out in the cabinet. Everybody should be aware of the kind of not repercussions in a negative manner, but what are the things that will happen post this decision is made, and what are the financial implications more importantly. So all these have been discussed, and I said I'm quite firm that we have to move forward in those things. And as I said, let the cabinet give the green signal after tomorrow, and Honourable Minister will share the details with you.